Here's how to use Google Gemini to plan your trip. If you've been planning a family trip for long but delaying it because of a hectic, time-consuming planning procedure, then Google Gemini is something you should try that would help you plan your vacations more easily. From searching for suitable flights to hotel reservations and accommodation, Gemini AI will now plan everything for you. By following these steps, you can plan vacations without spending your enough time and energy. Firstly, open the web browser and click the Chat with Gemini option. Once you sign in, you'll be taken to the Gemini interface. Go to the left sidebar, click Settings, and select Extensions. In the Extensions menu, ensure that the Google Flights extension is on. This will allow Gemini to access the flight information that you need. Now, exit the Extensions menu by clicking New Chat, and in the prompt box, ask Gemini a query related to your trip. For instance, suggest most suitable and economical flights available for 2 people flying to Edinburgh from London during June or July. You need to be more specific to get accurate results. Now hit enter to generate Gemini's response. Once Gemini has provided you with a list of options, don't forget to review the flight information. Gemini might also ask if you need help in finding a suitable hotel. For that, ask Gemini in the prompt box, also, suggest me a hotel that aligns with my flight requirements. You'll get all the important information related to your requirements, and it will also save you time in finding a hotel. Now ask Gemini to gather all the information so you can easily copy and paste it into a Google Sheet. For example, type "structure the information so I can easily paste it into Google Sheets." Once generated, click Export to Sheets, and a notification will appear that will let you know the file's being created. At last, click Open Sheet to view your file. In this way, you'll get a full-fledged plan for your upcoming vacations.